Happy Thursday. We just got home from work and I just let Draco out and I just need to make some lunch. Well, I guess like a late lunch. And I can't eat anything too heavy because it's my aunt's birthday, my Aunt Josie, and we're going to dinner at, I think, 6:30. I can't eat anything too big or else I'm gonna be full later. So I just need to make something small. I think the second season of Emily in Paris, or the second half of the season of Emily in Paris came out. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. Say hi. Okay. Yeah, I think the second season of Emily in Paris came out, so I think I'm gonna put that on while it's 3 o'clock right now and we have to be at the restaurant by 6:30. So I really wanted to like wash my hair, but I don't know how well that's gonna work. So I think I'm just gonna eat and then maybe watch an episode or two and then just start doing my makeup and getting ready. Okay, we just got ready really quickly. It is 6:15, I think. We have to leave here in like 15 minutes. Honestly, got ready quicker than I thought. But we're going to this restaurant called Massimo's. I think that's what it's called. And it's like an Italian restaurant over here near us for my Aunt Josie's birthday. And just a few of us going, like not that many. I think maybe she'll celebrate more over the weekend because it's Thursday. So black top, jeans, my new little heels, and my red purse. Because it's not like that fancy. It's a nice place, but it's not like super fancy, so don't have to wear anything crazy.
Doing. Oh. All right, I gotta go. I'm walking into a restaurant.
You are drunk, Jenny.
I love you, Gia. Thank you. Bye, boys. Love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. You only get one this month.
Happy birthday, dear Aunt Josie. Happy birthday to you.
Yours. Are you having a birthday month this year?
Got back from my aunt's house. My Aunt Hannah, we had pizza night. And it was just a couple of us. There really wasn't that many. It was like me, my sister, my mom, my Aunt Hannah, my Aunt Josie, and my 2 Uncle Joes. Yeah, they have the same name. And it was just us. Nothing crazy. We all just like sat around and talked and like hung out. And we just got home. It's early. Well, like earlier. I have to like be up early in the morning. A, because I have to watch a soccer game. B, I have to get my nails done at like 10 a.m. And my soccer game that I'm watching is at like 7:30 in the morning. So I might honestly miss the first 35 minutes of the game and just maybe catch the second half. So I don't have to be up to like 8, but I then have to be at my house, like, my nail appointment's at 10:15, so I probably have to leave my house at like 9:50, just to be on the safe side, catch any lights. Oh, I forgot I did this today. I went to Dick's Sporting Goods, and I got a new pair of shoes. I got Gazelles, the black platform ones. Super cute. I really like them, but I don't know if I'm keeping them. I'm going to there was another type of gazelle, it was a samba that I wanted, but they didn't have my size at the one I was at, so I ordered it because there was one left to pick up from another Dick's tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that, go get that shoe, come home and compare. And then the other one's like white with black stripes and then a brown bottom, but it's not a platform. I really do like this one though. Like, I would, if I don't keep it, like, I would buy it again. Just cute in general. I'll show you the other ones when I get them tomorrow. I want to get a new pair when I go to Italy, like, to walk around, because I only have my Vans. And I just don't know if I want to bring 2 pairs of black shoes. The white ones might be better for me right now, but we'll see. We'll see if I even like them. But we're picking up those tomorrow after my nail appointment.
It's been a lethargic performance generally from Manchester United so far, but as soon as they inject pace into their attack, they look dangerous. Wonderful interchange. It's a brilliant save as well. It's a little touch on it. Confidence took a knock without melting this. See if we can see another one.
Good morning. It's Saturday. Oh, here's Draco. Say hi, Draco. No, okay. He just wants to, like, freaking sit here and sulk. He's tired in the morning. He's a little tired baby. Say hi. Say hello, people. Woke up early to watch Manchester United play, and they're winning. They're winning, and Rashford scored. So I'm happy. It's about to be 8:30, and I have to leave the house by probably like a little over an hour, so like 9:50, because I gotta go get my nails done because I missed my appointment this week. I never get my nails done on Saturday, but I missed my appointment like during the week, and so the only time available was today, which is fine. Like, I didn't have anything this morning, so it's fine. And then after that, I'm gonna go pick up another pair of shoes. I'm gonna go pick up Sambas because I don't really, again, like the ones I showed yesterday, I'm not sure if I 100% like those. So I wanna try these ones, and then I'll just return the one I don't really care for or want. And then after that, I have to go show a house all the way. That's far, it's so far. But where I have to go pick up my shoes is like halfway there, so thank God.
Ramsdale curls it, you can see, around his own player. It just nestles into that bottom corner. 2 million.
Tim, we talk a lot about how nice that.
All right, we're home. We got our nails done. Black, got a little orange going on for fall, even though it's September. So I picked up the shoes I ordered. yesterday because there was only one pair left. Like I searched near me to see like what, if anybody had the shoe I was looking for, and they literally had one pair left in my size at the store, so I ordered it yesterday. You don't want to go outside? Okay. And I picked it up today. Can I just cut this? I'm not really supposed to put new shoes on the counter. So I got these, oh, there's a tag there. These like black and white Sambas. Oh, does this one have the tag on it? It's like bad luck to put new shoes on a counter, so let me put this down. Okay, so I got these black and white and like I guess a little tan. Which I mean that's probably fine. I didn't really notice that. Sambas. So I'm debating between these or the black platform gazelles I got yesterday. I just don't know which one I want for this trip because this is a I don't know. I like them both, but I think I need my mom's help. What'd I do with it? Oh, it's over there. I put it away. But I need my mom's help deciding, so I think she was supposed to have beaten me home. Like, I don't know where she is, but she was supposed to be here already. So I'm gonna ask her if she thinks I should keep these or keep the other ones. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, TBD. But she's bringing lunch, and then I might be going to the beach later, like for sunset with Kevin, Adriana, and Mackenzie. I think we're going to do that. I'm not sure yet. It's either that or go to downtown Dunedin with my aunt for her birthday if she's doing that. It does look like it's like raining, right? It's like really gross outside today. So I don't know, like, are we even going to be able to see sunset? Or are we just going to be sitting there looking at nothing? I mean, because it's like, it's 2 o'clock and it looks like this. Not very sunny for a sunset. Came to St. Pete Beach. We're at Paso Grill and we're gonna watch sunset. I'm here by myself at the moment, but Kevin and Mackenzie are almost here, and then I think Adriana's gonna come meet us. And I just went to Publix and picked up some food. I got what'd I get? Oh, I got like a chicken salad sandwich croissant. I got salt and vinegar chips. I got like a little bow tie pasta. And I think that's all I got. Yeah, I think that's all I got. And then like a water and a soda. And now I'm just waiting for them to get here because I have no idea if I'm parked in the right spot. I think I am, but I literally never come to the beach. But it also has gotten way prettier out. Like earlier, it was like super gloomy like all day, and like it has gotten like really nice. So the sunset should be a good one tonight, I think. This, don't you have to like run?
No, not when it's windy.
Oh. Go. You might have to give it a couple steps.
You have to, like, just
Oh, there you go. There you go. Nice. Oh, look at the cute little boat out there. does.
It's giving Aladdin.
I love Aladdin.
Guys, Beetlejuice was so cute. I was like, I'm obsessed. I want to go watch the first movie. So cute.
I saw it a second time.
You saw the new one a second time?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you go?
Tuesday.
Oh, because you have the pass. That's right.
Mm-hmm.
It was really good.
I liked it.
Is
I
there
just
a
can't believe...
Beetlejuice book?
Is there... No. I just can't believe you missed...
That one part. I was like, what did I miss? And you're like, well, October. And this, I was like, oh my god. I was like, what?
Everything that could have happened happened while you were gone. I was like...
Literally.
I was like, he literally said Beetlejuice 3 times. They went to the thing. She grew a baby in,
like,
in
wait,
9
all that
months. She
happened
got
in 5
pregnant.
minutes?
The baby popped out.
Because I was waiting at the snack bar. It was closed. Mac's like, no, they're done.
What time is it? 9:30. We've been up, but we've just been laying in bed because the Azerbaijan Grand Prix Formula One was on early this morning. I think it started at like, I think it started at like 7:30. So I literally just laid in bed and watched it, and holy crap, was that a race. Like, that was so wild. If somebody doesn't like Formula One, that is a race to watch. Holy Jesus. And Oscar won, McLaren won, so exciting. Again, I love Oscar. Lando's my favorite, but Oscar, definitely second favorite. So I'm so happy for him because it was just such an intense race, and he's only, like, this is his second year in Formula One, so that was really good. And now I'm just watching, I'm making coffee. And I'm watching Tottenham vs. Arsenal, which started a little bit ago, so I'm joining in late, but 0-0. Here's the big baby. Hello. You big baby? No? Here's my handsome man. My handsome crying man. You say good morning to everybody? Say good morning. Hi. I'm pretty sure it's noon. My nephew Taze has his first football game this season. I'm gonna go watch him do that, and then who knows from there. But last night just went to the beach with Kevin and Mackenzie, and then Adriana and her friend Amanda showed up for a little bit because they had dinner plans, so they just came to like hang out for like an hour, but it was just so nice. It wasn't hot at all, and there weren't that many people, so it was just like super nice. And we were there from like 7 to 9:30, so like when it got dark, and we all just like hung out. We all brought like snacks. Kevin brought some wine, and we just like listened to music and like talked and laughed and played some Uno. my friend group, we love playing that Uno on the phone, or I guess it's Crazy Eights on the phone, and we love playing in person. We play it at home when we're all not together, and we love playing it in person because we could talk more shit in person. It's so funny. But so we played like a few rounds of Crazy Eight, me, Mackenzie, and Kevin, because Adriana eventually left. It was just really nice, fun. We just like laid there and like hung out. I can't wait for it to get a little bit cooler because like as it got a little later, it just got a little bit more sticky at night, and I don't love that. But once it gets like colder, it'll just be so freaking nice. Right, Drakey? I can take you to the beach. You want to go to the beach? You probably freak out at all the birds. Hustle! Hustle, Taze, hustle! Look at this one. Just through the car.
What is it? Is your mouthpiece alone, Taze?
Oh my god, what is Taze doing? Oh my god, they're giving Taze the ball. He has the ball. Go Taze!
Good job, babe.
Dude, good job! High five. Good job, honey. You scored. You see that? Nice.
You're welcome.
Good job, guys. Proud of you. You guys are close. Oh! Mom, you gotta step it up. She's close. Grandma's gonna get it.
Not mine, your own. Go off.
Come on, Jenny.
Yeah, get the other one.
Oh, oh! Come on over, Jenny. Here's your door. All right, tell you what, I'll pee. It'll give you an idea. Where the hell are you going? Did you get that? Yeah. Suck it down, Jenny. Let's go. Suck it down. Why's she leaving? She's gone. Yeah, she's out of here. Do it. Throw it back. Out of here. Throw it back. Come on, Grandma.
All right, trying.
Uh-oh. You got it. Where are we?
Oh, spaghetti-o.
Spaghetti-o. What's this place called?
The Wild Rover.
Yeah.
Who the hell?
It's wild.
Wild and
Let's go. Let's go, Jenny.
Listen, you're going to have water at this pond.
Oh, it's dead in here. There's nobody in here. Are they open? Do you want to sit over there? Do you want to sit in
We
there?
should sit here, right? Want to sit right here?
Yeah.
Perfect. 4 chairs. On the hot, heavy part of the door. There. And go high.
Woo!
Now you gotta aim for this.
Nice.
No, not together. Here, we got another jar.
Get out of here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Now smash his face in the cake.